PVcase version 2.25 introduces new features which users can use to enhance their design workflow. You may now customize the piling of both of the dual-row tracker frames independently. This can be accessed in the Frame Creation tab by clicking on Custom Piling. You may then select whether you want to modify the frame with the motor or without the motor. With this update, you may now also utilize centralized string inverter placement with fixed-tilt designs. This can be done in the Electrical Devices tab by selecting the placement type to be centralized and then specifying the boundary line where you would like the string inverters to be placed. Additionally, you may now export the spot level data from the ground grading section into the bill of materials. To do this, after performing the grading, you may enable the spot levels in the surface comparison section and then export the bill of materials from the layout information settings menu in the bill of materials tab. Please let us know what features you are most excited about and do not hesitate to reach out with any questions.